most disgusting place on the face of the earth. I'm talking about how burn down America on next year on Independence Day. I pray Jesus Christ will come down with some real fireworks. We need fireworks in Chicago was struck back then, they did. When Jesus Christ come back, there's going to be some whole new fireworks going on the face of the earth. The fireworks ain't going to be pretty either. The fireworks going to be death and destruction. The fireworks going to be the nuclear bombs that's coming here in America. It's going to bomb this place. Yes, I pray most out burn this place down to the ground. You understand? These first worlds is coming. You understand? One man is going to get about this serious hell on the best president in America. You understand? Donald Trump is vice president right now, talking about kicking every Mexican out of America. Talking about got nerve to say that the Mexicans are racist and they are illegal immigrants. When you devils been the most illegal immigrant on the face of the earth, you've been nothing but murder to our people. You understand? You've been murdering the black Hispanics for far too long. Now it's your time. Give me Matthew 24:7. You understand? These race is coming. You understand? We have the Israelite school in UPK under command of Jalen Hunter. You understand? We don't focus on Christianity. We don't focus on no goddamn Islam. You understand? We have to fight against everything that's putting down to our people. You understand? Which is white supremacy under Christianity. You understand?
Matthew 24:7. For the nation shall rise against nation. For nation shall rise against nation.
These are red lines that Jesus Christ brought out of King James Bible. We in the last days today. Christ said that nation shall rise against nation. Meaning that race wars is coming to America today. Race wars is coming. You understand? Ain't no such thing as all nations coming together. Hell with that. You understand? You can't join something with the so-called white man. Yes, you can't join with other nations. You can't join with America. America is not your rest. America is not your homeland.